Hello everyone, welcome to this amazing video. Today we are installing Zoom. So how you can do that? So first open the Chrome browser and we you can use any browser. So I'm using Chrome browser and search here Zoom download. Whenever you click Zoom download, there are some links will open in the Chrome browser and you just open the first link and click on the link and whenever you can see the setup here. Okay, you have to download 64-bit, download 32-bit and download ARM 64. Okay, so we have to download 64-bit for Windows. Okay, so I'm going to download. It's going to download. Okay, it will take little bit time, so we can just wait and when it complete, it will show it here. Okay, so just wait. Now you can see the almost complete. The download has been all completed. Okay, you can see the setup. Okay, there is a way you can right click on setup and open it and double click it. I'll just open it. Okay, so double click the setup and run it. Okay, when you double click on setup, it will going to load and you can see that it is installing. Okay, sometime it will take little bit time, so just wait for a moment and and la- and just you can see the Zoom has been installed successfully. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel.